Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, 28th of September 2018. So the pound yesterday stuck in a very tight range there, and it would be interesting to see what the actual range was. It's for the trading hours that we look at, just 57 pips there for the range. So the market not doing a lot yesterday. You can see we had a buy signal, and then this was followed by a sell signal at the 200 bar moving average, increase in volume as well at this level. Definitely selling around, market pulling back a bit and then continuing lower there. And in the daily chart you can see this, except I need to reload this chart because that's not quite up to date. That's yesterday's price activity, and there we go. Now we can actually see it. So here we've got the pound sideways to lower. It's below the 20 bar moving average as well. And once we take out the low here, let me just draw this in for you. Off this bar, the 130.55 level, then we'll head down to the 130, the red line down here as well. So as I said yesterday, after the rate rise in the US, this is bullish for the dollar. If it's bullish for the dollar, that means that the pound is going to start making its way back. And this is what we've seen. If we look at the weekly chart, we've been down for some time, and it's just a dead cat bounce before we head back down to the downside there for this market. This morning not doing a lot. Market finding support at the low at the moment, and that's the pound. News today, what have we got? Nothing really. There's only the one current account. This is out at 9:30, and that's to show a forecast of minus 19.4 billion. That's a B, not an 8. Very difficult with varifocals to see some of these things at such close range. And the Dow for yesterday, the market moving back to the upside, no surprise there. Market's tested, you can see the volume there. Back above the 200 bar moving average as well. It's amazing how well this average works. And then it's just a matter of up, back, and then off we go to the upside there. Market found resistance here. You can see more or less double top. You can see how it banged its head against the resistance there at 26,525. Is it? Let's just have a look. Let me just get the right figure for you here. 26,550. Yeah, and yeah, it just traded sideways there before then saw some profit taking coming in at the end of the session, and look where it stopped, right on the 200 bar average where the market was tested. And then overnight you can see the market's taken out the 200 bar moving average, but has tested so far, and there's some buying coming into the market to support it at this time. And then finally, Bitcoin moving to the upside, as we spoke about a few days ago. Market up, pulling back towards the 76%, certainly 62%. And it looks like this is the start of a new up move for me. We had the consolidation phase, and now it's a case of having to take out the 68.30 level there. And yeah, that's about it really for this one. The only thing I did miss was the Dow on the daily chart. Let me just go back and have a look at this. At the moment we're still showing some weakness. We need to find support at this level. Failing to do so, we'll see this market move and test the 20, the 50, the 200, and also what you'll get in between all of this as well is a 76% retracement here, and also one from here up to here as well. So we'll just save these, keep these on the chart, and watch out for these levels too. Okay, that does it for this one and for this week. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.